日頃からのご愛顧を心よりお礼申し上げます。なお、ご搭乗機には日本語を話す乗務員が4名乗務いたしております。日本語ご希望のお客様、どうぞ私ともにご遠慮なくお声をおかけください。出発に先立ちまして、ご搭乗機の安全設備をご案内いたします。お近くのモニターにご注目ください。なお、ビデオ画面が作動しない場合は乗務員までお知らせください。本日の飛行時間は離陸から着陸まで10時間と19分を予定いたしております。本日のご搭乗誠にありがとうございます。
To this important safety presentation.
Welcome aboard, and thank you for choosing Delta.
The health and safety of our customers and crew is our #1 priority and the shared responsibility of everyone on board.
So before we depart, please pay attention to this important message.
Stow all carry-on items in an overhead bin and place smaller items completely under the seat in front of you. Larger electronic devices must be placed in a bag. Handheld portable electronic devices, including mobile phones, should also be secured.
Keep the aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas clear. If you lose an electronic device in your seat, please do not adjust your seat and ask a crew member for help.
As we leave the gate, fasten your seatbelt by inserting the metal tip into the buckle and adjusting the strap so it is low and tight across your lap. To release, lift the top of the buckle. If your seat has a shoulder harness, attach the metal tip to the fitting on the belt. To release, push the metal tip down.
Stay seated with your seatbelt fastened when the seatbelt sign is on, and keep it fastened whenever you're seated in case of sudden rough air. In the event of rough air, the crew may also need to buckle up for safety. We appreciate your understanding if our service is interrupted.
Federal regulations require all passengers to comply with all crew members' instructions, along with the posted placards and lighted information signs throughout the cabin. Smoking, vaping, the use of e-cigarettes or any smokeless product, including chewing tobacco, is not allowed on any Delta flight. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying restroom smoke detectors.
There are 8 exits on this plane, 8 doors, 4 on each side. 6 doors have detachable slides that can be used as racks. The 2 smaller doors behind the wings have detachable slides that can be used for flotation.
In the event of an evacuation, leave all bags behind. Carry-in baggage will slow the evacuation.
All exits are clearly marked with a green exit symbol. Locate the nearest exits and remember, they might be behind you.
If we lose power, lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit.
It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, oxygen masks will drop from the panels above your seat and inside the lavatory. Reach up and pull the mask or streamer down to start the flow of oxygen. Remove any face covering and place the mask over your nose and mouth. Flip the elastic strap over your head and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and note that oxygen is flowing, so don't worry if the bag doesn't inflate. Be sure to adjust your own mask before helping others.
A water evacuation is also unlikely, but just in case, life vests are in a compartment beneath or adjacent to your seat. To use, remove the vest from the container by pulling on the tab and then opening the pouch. Slip the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, attach it to the buckle in front, and adjust securely around your waist. As you leave the plane, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab at the bottom or manually inflate it by blowing into the tube at shoulder level. A water-activated light is attached to each vest.
For children under 35 pounds, place the vest around their waist and secure the strap between the legs. See your safety card for more information. Additional life vests for in-lap children are in marked compartments at the front and rear of the plane. We'll distribute these vests if necessary.
Before takeoff, bring your seat to its upright position and stow your tray table and footrest. Be sure you fasten your seatbelt low and tight across your lap. Carry-on items are secured and armrests are at the resting position or as otherwise indicated on the placard in front of you. If you have a suite door, ensure it's open. See placard instructions inside the suite door for opening instructions in case of emergency. Finally, take a moment to review the safety information card in your seat pocket.
As we finish our safety check, please let us know if you have any questions.
As we get ready for takeoff, please settle in. And from all of our crew, thank you for flying with Delta.
Thank you for paying attention to this important safety message.
So great, wow. March 27th. Oh yeah, 27th. No, we left 26th. We don't have a picture. March 26th. One day. 下辈子对啊，有会玩一玩，一点。
Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for departure.
ご案内いたします。ご搭乗機まもなく離陸いたします。シートベルトをお締めでしょうか。今一度お確かめください。また本日お子様連れのお客様、お子様のシートベルトもご確認ください。